Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to try something that I've not had before. It's from West Africa. Specifically, we've seen this in Equatorial Guinea. It's called pambuta, and there's a different selection of ingredients that, I'll be honest with you, I've not seen before. I'm going to try it today for the first time for my Nutby channel. So join me, it's going to be absolutely delicious and it's going to be a real culinary adventure. Okay guys, so let's talk about the ingredients first. We have the onions, we have the chilies, we have the garlic, we have the tomato, and we have the chicken. But the one I'm really excited to try is this. This is concentrated palm fruit kernels. You see, the palm fruit kernels are inside the palm fruit, and this is already been prepared. It's been mashed up and it's ready to go, and this is going to form the base of the pambuta, and I'm really excited to try it. So join me guys, it's going to be a real adventure. Alright guys, it's been cooked. It's all ready to go. Here it is. I'll turn it this way. There we go. This is my pambuta. And this one is fufu. This is made from cassava flour. And it's basically what they have as a staple food, especially in West Africa. I've tried this a few days ago just to practice, and it tastes delicious. It's got the texture of mashed potato, but it doesn't taste like mashed potato. It's a very different flavour. It's more like a rooty type flavour. Let's try it, shall we? I'll get a bit of the. Oh, I'll just use my fingers. I'm really interested to try the sauce with the fufu. Wow. Yeah, it's delicious. Let's try the meat. We've used chicken for ours. You can use anything really. I think they have the fish, the smoked fish in Equatorial Guinea, but it's hard to get the dried fish in England, so we've used chicken. There we go. I've got the flavours of fufu, chicken, and the pambuta sauce. So let's try this. That's delicious.
Very nice.
It tastes. You've got the oil, you've got the earthiness of the pambuta sauce, and spicy, tangy, but not overpowering. It's perfect balance. Oh, the flavours really coming through, aren't they? Yeah. Okay. I'm using knife and fork because, well, you've probably seen from my other videos, I do tend to make a lot of mess. So I'm trying to avoid that while I learn how to eat properly. But of course, if you were going to eat fufu, you normally have a dipping sauce, and that's used with your hands because it's just easier. Maybe if I'm off camera, I would use my hands. It's not spicy though. It's not heavy spicy, is it?
This one. I don't like spicy, so that one. Chili. Everyone spicy.
It wasn't a recommendation. I've gone in. I'll burn myself with the chili.
You need really spicy this time.
Yeah, it could do with a bit of a spiciness to it, I think.
Our version.
Just one. Yeah, that was spicy. That one small chili was enough. Would have been less spicy. Yeah, that wasn't big or clever what I just did. I don't think it's going to trigger off hiccups. It's not that spicy, but it's getting there. Yeah, the pambuta's the sauce. I've never had this before, so I'm trying to work out what the flavours are, so trying to describe it for you guys. And it's quite a unique flavour to me. I've never had anything quite like it. It's very, as I say, it's very nutty, but not quite as nutty as peanut. Maybe it's because of the fruit that it's cooked in. The oil, it does come through, but more of the flavour than the actual texture of the oil. And the texture is it's like curry, isn't it? The thickness of the sauce is like curry. You can see on the top it's quite oily, but when you do this, you can see it's got thickness to it. Alright guys, I'm nearly done, so I'm going to leave it there because, well, we're nearly finished, haven't we? Alright guys, let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of our efforts, because as I've repeatedly said, this is our first attempt at pambuta. Personally, I really love to try different foods, and I love African food. I love the West African styles of different foods. I love the desserts. We've done a previous video, the aguado, that was a banana based one. That was from West Africa. This is from West Africa. Particularly interested in Ghana, Nigeria, Gabon. Any suggestions of where you think we should look at next for foods? Let me know in the comments section. I'm really interested in your feedback, so please give me your like, subscription and all your feedback. Until the next video guys, take care.